Hey, how's it going, PC team? Welcome back to another daily recap where I'm trading with a $50,000 account. Now, obviously, yesterday we talked about the humongous red day I did have. That was one of the biggest red days of my career. Not the biggest, though. Right here, I have standing next to me a $53,000 loss in a single day. This was the biggest loss I've ever had. So, today, luckily, we did, even though we did size down, we did see some green. So we are going to go over the trades I took today. Now, unfortunately, none of these were taken during our live stream. They were either off camera or early in the morning with our mastermind team, and I forgot to record them. But we are going to go over the trades I did take today. So you can see I'm up just shy of $3,000, green on 3 stocks, and practically break even on 1. So let's go over the stocks I traded this morning. Well, first one was GA. I'm not going to lie. There was a TikTok day trading streamer that was I could tell he had no idea what he was doing, and I liked the short opportunity anyways because I could clearly identify 3-wave structure to the upside, as well as when I went to go short on it, right down here where it started to break down. Started to break below the 90 MA for the first time all morning, and it was the volume was fading immensely on it. You can see the VWAP was flatlining. So I thought, given the fact that it was very overextended, it was bound for a sizable pullback, I went short at 575 for a move down to $5. Now I didn't quite get 5. You can see here that it did bounce off of 515, and on the 1-minute chart, I can bring that up. Bounced off of right up in this level 518 3 times. So after it bounced off this level 3 times, I locked most of my profit in around 525. Took 5,000 shares, so made $0.50 a share and made $2,000. So that was the first trade. And then at open, we did not get much. MINM, just before open, I took a scalp trade over high a day, sold it immediately at 564. When there was a big seller, got filled at 562, made, I think I bought 2,000 shares, made 20 cents a share from 540 to 562. Looking for that 3rd or 5th wave to the upside, and we got it. A big seller made the stock dump. Fairly straightforward. And then SMFL, right at open, I was looking for a type 2 5-minute pullback, which means the stock gives back 50% of its move, which we got. Then it comes up, tests high a day, comes back down, retests off of the 1-minute time frame, and then off of that 1-minute retest, I like to trade at the upside. So I bought it for move past 250 and beyond, maybe squeeze up to 275. We didn't get it, stopped out at even. This thing flushed 30% in just a few minutes. Literally in this one candle, it almost got halted going down, flushing 24%. And then the last stock I traded was actually after hours, so today was a long day. Came back after hours, traded this 5-minute pullback right here, the first 5-minute, when it reclaimed $1. I love it when stocks reclaim $1. It is one of my favorite things to trade because they regain compliance with the NASDAQ. So as the stock pulled on back, regained $1, I sized up for a move up, and there was a monster buyer. I literally couldn't believe it. It was a 100,000+ share buyer, which means the dude was literally buying 3% of the company or 4% of the company as I saw it. That was a huge trade. There's only a 2.5 million share float. So as I could, and he was trying, it wasn't manipulating because the person kept putting it on the bid and kept trying to get that order filled and filled and filled. It was just pumping the stock up. And so I held for move from 106 up to 138. Those were out in $2,000. I only took 5,000 shares, well, 10,000 shares, and then I took the other half immediately. But I tried it again off of the second 5-minute pullback right here in case it ripped. Oh no, sorry, I didn't take that trade. I took this trade as it retested right here. Again, there's a type 2 5-minute pullback, pulled on back off the 5-minute time frame, it retested. I was thinking we'd squeeze past 150 and beyond. We didn't get it, came back down. I ended up giving back about half my profit on that one, which put me up $2,901 on the day. So I'm slowly but surely chipping away at that loss. I'm going to continue to do that for the next several days. Not trying to size up and try to over leverage to get back at the market. Only trade what's given to me. And then once I'm down 20K in the month, once I'm down 5K or even 10K, and I've reclaimed most of the losses, I can start to size up again. But as of right now, I need to trade with about half the size that I'm used to trading. I don't need to, or I don't deserve to be trading with normal position sizing given the loss I had yesterday. So I'm gonna go ahead and call that a decent little day. Sorry I didn't get any of it on video, but as always, guys, I usually will try to get most of them on video. I'll be back here tomorrow morning, trading with less size, being more short bias, and watching my risk to reward ratios. MTC, we went over the trade yesterday, was a great setup, no doubt, but my entry was not great. That's why I lost $13,000 on it, because I sized up. I thought it was a really good opportunity. I love the setup for all-day fader, and 75% chance of that would end up working out. This is the first one I've lost on a PC intraday short, and I think the last 10 times I traded it. So I don't mind the setup I traded. I just mind the position size I had and the risk to reward ratio I had. Those are two things that made it a really bad trade and giving back most of my profits from last month. But anyways, that's going to do it for today's daily recap. If you guys have any questions, you do, comment them down below. Just sharing my journey in 2024. Let's see what tomorrow brings. And if you guys want to trade alongside me each and every single morning and have access to all the tools you need for day trading, education, scanners, trader journal, live market professionals watching over your accounts, and free live streams so you can see exactly what professionals think while trading, all you have to do is click the link in my description. It is completely free, no credit card needed for 14 days. So if you guys want to go do that and learn exactly how I day trade, I'll see you guys in there. Alrighty, deuces.